Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to learn 이, 가, the Korean subject marker. This grammar point is essential for understanding how Korean sentences work. So 이 and 가 marks the subject of a sentence. It answers the question who or what. It is most often used when the information is new, important, or being emphasized. The rule is simple. If the noun ends in a consonant, use 이. If the noun ends in a vowel, use 가. 물이 차가워요. 물이 차가워요. Which means the water is cold. 물 means water, and what is cold? The water. 물 is a subject, and 이 is a subject marker. And 이 is used after a noun that ends with a consonant, so we say 물이 차가워요, which means the water is cold. So what does 이 do in a sentence here? So it introduces new or important information. When you are saying something for the first time, you often use 이 or 가. So 물이 차가워요, the water is cold. You are introducing information about the water. The water is cold. Or it focuses on the subject itself. 이 and 가 emphasizes the subject. For example, 물이 차가워요. The water is cold, not something else. 책이 있어요. 책이 있어요. There is a book. So 책 means a book, and it is the subject of the sentence. 책이 있어요. And 이 is the subject marker. And as you can see, the noun 책 ends with consonant. We use 이 as a subject marker. And 있어요 means there is, there are something. What exists? A book. In Korean, when we talk about the existence of something, we often use 이, 가 with 있어요. 눈이 아파요. 눈이 아파요. My eyes hurt. 눈 means eyes. The word 눈 ends with a consonant, so we use the subject marker 이. 아파요 means hurt or are sore. So 눈이 아파요 means my eyes hurt. In Korean, when we talk about pain or physical condition, we use 이 or 가 to mark the body part. 비가 와요. 비가 와요. It's raining. 비 means rain. The word 비 ends with a vowel, so we use the subject marker 가. And 와요 means comes or is coming. So what does 가 mean in a sentence? It answers who or what. So what is coming? The rain. 비가 와요. It is raining. So let's think about common uses of 가. When you mention something for the first time, you use 가 or 이. 비가 와요. The new information. It is raining. 우유가 없어요. 우유가 없어요. There is no milk. So 우유 means milk. Because 우유 ends with a vowel, we use the subject marker 가. 없어요 means there is no or there are no. So 우유가 없어요 means there is no milk. So we know the listener does not know this information. And ka shows that milk is the new important information. So you are informing someone about the situation, that there is no milk. Great job today, everyone. Today we learned about e and ga, the subject markers. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.